We will stay here for 1 hour and a half, more or less, 11:15, in order to have a sort of plenary session in which all the group will present you the process, the milestone, and some guidelines about the brief.
The business design workshop has several advantages for both the students of the strategic business design of Politecnico di Milano and School of Business of the Antwerpen Business School. In fact, during these workshops, two different cultures are working together to give a value for the real company, in this case, Air France KLM. Two different cultures, the culture of design and the culture of business, are working together to create something unique.
The brief was to propose two main topics to the students of POLI.design Milano. The first one was concerning mobility, about the first and last mile thematics. The idea was like how we can improve the trip of a customer to the airport and after the final destination to the airport. That was the first point. And the second one concerned the seamless experience that we can offer through your trip into the airport.
It's a challenge, of course, and it's a great opportunity that we have to work here in Milano about and for Air France and thinking of new possible areas where they can improve their whole service.
Here you actually learn that especially when you do it as a team and a team of diverse people, you get to learn a lot from them, and also the way the tasks divided into and help you finally get to your final task has been quite interesting.
You keep on learning, you listen to each other, and you understand how to move forward. And this is such a great opportunity for future managers like us to learn from this kind of process, and I do appreciate it.
Working for Air France is amazing. It's a great possibility for us to see how the future of aviation is going to be and the Air Force, and it's really excites us to have the possibility to do this work for this huge company that we all know.
I think that the values of this experience are at least three. The first one is working with a company like Air France, which is a multinational, who decided for this course to invest on creating vision for the future of mobility. The second one is the student coming from different experience with different skills, and so asked to work together, so to match different vision on the same kind of phenomena. And the third one is the time management. It's 3 week-long weeks in which one of them is over distance, so they should be able to manage their time and their resources to be able to arrive to a meaningful results.
The innovation sprint is a really unique concept for companies to really realize new concepts. The design students of POLI.design and the management students of Antwerp Management School are combined and working towards solid concepts for you.
It was actually a fun experience to have like the daughter of Castiglione talked about the atelier and stuff like that, and we saw all the pretty designs in the atelier, and it was so impressive. I really liked it.
I really liked and enjoyed the fact that the daughter was describing the father and how he used to live, and she shared some personal details about her life and her experience with her father, like the jokes about the table and the fact that she used to sit in her equal level with her father. And also I liked the fact that there was a lot of items, like there was this headset, I think it's from a movie or something.
For me it was funny to see, because when I heard the name Castiglione, I didn't really know who it was, but then when I was in the foundation I really recognized some objects that I know, so it was nice to see, whoa, what he did, so he did way more than I know about him.
The fact that he only looks at the practicality instead of the beauty, the prettiness of the design, for me it's very inspiring. The moment you walk into the workshop, you really get the feel of the life of a great inventor.
We're a management class, and the people from here are design thinkers. So the way that they think, that they present, that they interact with people is much different than us.
It was great to have this perspective and to start seeing it from different angles, like having the same item but seeing it from a different point of view. And that was really helpful for me, and I learned a lot from doing it that way.
Strategic designers are really smart, creative, and then we are more solution thinkers. So the combination is quite perfect in my opinion. And the city as well, the Polytechnical University is a nice building to be in. City Milan is so beautiful to be, so the vibe is perfect, I think so.